Yes, I'm happy to bring before you Bharti Rao, who has been recommended for SSC Tech 27 entry, and she is here to share her experiences with you. I'm sure you'll find them to be enlightening as well as motivating. Okay, let me introduce Bharti Rao. She was a student here for CDS and then for SSB. And you can remove your mask. Let people see face of a winner. Yeah. So she was a student here for both CDS and SSB, and I thought, though she has left here a long time ago, but she kept her efforts on, and now she has qualified her SSB for SSC Tech 27, and she was kind enough to inform me because we were in touch for say New Year's and Diwali and things like that, but she was not coming to the academy lately. And whatever she learned from here, and if all that helped her, I would request her to share the same with you because you are into that phase where you are going to appear both in the written as well as in the interview, and if the academy has helped her, I'm sure it would help you too. Yeah, Bharti?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, first of all, I would
Okay,
like to...
before she starts, let me present her with the memento. And, yeah, because then she should be starting with a. Should be starting with a very pleasant and sweet note, and then
So kind of.
yeah, you can.
So, first of all, I would like to start from saying that you are at the perfect place you could be. I mean, believe me, these 5 years of my struggles to get into the armed forces, along since, I also take care of my family, being the only earning member at home. So, it becomes really terribly difficult to take out some time at childhood only. So, coming to, again, back to final year of engineering, I came to know about it and I was very excited. Bro, Indian Army is called us, right? Let's go. Without any preparation, just took my bag and went there. Was lucky enough to clarify the first round of screening and went till conference. After 1 month, again I had my naval entry. So both these entries were at Bangalore. So they were good. I was taken aback by the way they welcomed you. How many of you are going to be freshers, never went SSB even once? Okay, so now this time when you reach there, you'll feel like an officer. The moment you get into their SSB center, they will treat you like an officer. So that is the very first thing they are giving you a hint that to be here, you need to be an officer. So it's not about how much you are learning, what you are practicing, what you are not practicing. That is, of course, that's some part of it. But how well you take in those 15 qualities in yourself. If you are able to do that, and be natural. Don't tell them, I know this, how I do this. Right, in the task and all, will be telling me, mujhe aata hai, I'll do like this. So that the GD will pick up from there. So, like this, the 2 interviews of mine went, I was conference out twice. Post that I didn't go for my SSPs because of my family issues for like 1.5 years. Now when I started again, it was like all the students, they were like 21, 22 and I was like 24, 25. That really seems awkward that like people have passed the academy and you're still not there, right? So I was like, no, I'll do it. So I got twice, screen out again, one from Bangalore, one from Bhopal. Next time, again lucky enough, same, they were all technical entries and naval entries. So this time being at Bhopal, at least I got screened. So really happy that I'm on the same track. I felt like that. During my snake obstacle race, I broke 2 of my metatarsal bones in my foot and could not complete it. Then GG sir came to me and said, you want to do it? Should I wash you out of the team? I said, no sir, I'll do that. Now we didn't know it's a fracture, right? So this is you can fool your mind. As sir might have told you during the personality classes, right? दिमाग को तो बहलाया जा सकता है. Sir usually says that, right? The same thing we felt. We felt, अच्छा ठीक है, it's just a sprain because the fracture at that point is not possible. So we continued. I did all my obstacles, which I could not do with 2 legs in Bangalore during my first attempt. I was like, oh, commando work, this platform is like shivering. It's not letting me balance. So with my 1 leg also I did those obstacles. Coming to the conference, of course, it was not a very, I would say, not a very good one. The effort for this SSB, which was my 5th SSB. I came back home, was at plaster for 2 months. Doctor said no gym, no running, nothing. I was like, okay. Then what can I do? I told him very frankly, I'm an army aspirant, I can't stop learning if you want me. He was like, cast to utar jaan de, then I'll talk to you. I said, okay, fine. So he removed my cast. Next day I hit the gym. Now I'm trying to do my exercises. I'm not able to do squats. My body is shivering from one side completely. Then I thought, what to do? Okay, let me go natural. So I again talked to my doctor. He said, you cannot run, but you can do some jogging. And I used to, of course, as I have this kind of character, not to listen only for SSB. I don't listen to anybody when it comes to SSB. So again, this time I went for it. I was not prepared. I took up a job while I was in this task. I thought, what I'll do at home, right? I can't do anything. That's only what is said. It's not true. Sometimes I reach back at home by 11 p.m. also. Like I'm doing home demos. I go to the customer's place, convince them and make a sale of like 75,000, 55,000 like that. So with that, I was not able to really prepare it. But every single day that I was in my job, I was, sir always says कि अपने काम से प्यार करो. First love your work. Then only you can, do something else. So that's why I kept in my mind that I have to do this thing best. Believe me or not, I did not prepare for my PPTs and the tag stories. So what I did there, all the pictures I was able to write because now my full day was like taken. It was already decided. 5 days of the week I'll be working. So there was no time for my mind to move astray. So if you are working, then it's good. If you are not working, then have a perfect timetable for yourself. 5 minutes of your time should be something you crave for. It should not go in vain. That is what I believe helped me clarify my SSB this time. So yeah, that working helped me. When I came to my blank picture, my mind went blank. Because I did not prepare, right? Most of us prepared a picture and I did. So I just wrote a story from Byju's. Like one week we were not able to punch that much of revenue and what all my manager did. So she became my hero over there and I was able to frame a story. So my psych was the best that went and I was able to pick it up that my psych was best. The same thing I was asked in the conference. Doing my GDO task, every time I dropped off that wall, it was like, aaj to hatti kaise today, right? And that one moment I felt, why I came here? But then it was that 1 second which decided my recommendation over there. That is what I feel. Even during the conference I was asked, कि आप सारे GDO tasks में आप बहुत संभल के करते हो. Not directly, but they asked me that you were too conscious during your tasks. I said, yes sir. Why? I said, sir, I just recovered an injury and I'm not able to do it in the full swing. I have to join my academy in April. Like, okay. So rate your performance. I rated my performance, first psych, second GDO and third interview. My interview was a grilling experience. I mean, he would put up a question to me and let not me answer. He was like, अच्छा तुम ये बोल रही हो इसका मतलब ये है? Kind of. I'm not able to explain a single word that I say. About my family, he asked like anything. Since I told you I'm taking care of my family, so he asked me a lot. Why my father reacted like that time? Why my mother reacted like that time? And I said I did not know about defense. ऐसे कैसे आपको defense के बारे में नहीं पता? You must have met an officer. So my interview lasted for 1.5 hours almost. Within that time, 2 people already are done with the interview and I'm still there. So it was but very nice. The only thing I couldn't do very well in the interview was my GK questions and my civil engineering questions. But they understanding. I did my MBA, then I'm in Byju's. So they didn't ask me much. Whatever they asked, I was like, sir, I will read and let you know. And whatever I knew, I told. So that was the experience of SSB. Conference again, some kind of questions. How are you going to help us as a civil engineer? You're already having this kind of background of being in management and all this. They all asked me. That's it. The only thing I think helped me was being natural. People say Allahabad is a rejection center. I don't believe it. It's not. It's just a big center, so more rejections. So being natural will help you. And the way sir is teaching here is actually helping because see, I have met people all around India over there in SSB. Everybody came from big coachings. Like if you open YouTube, you'll be able to see a lot of names, and you'll be like, look, this is very logical. I should go for it. एक 2000 का ऑनलाइन कोर्स तो मैं कर ही दूँ, राइट? ज़्यादा तो नहीं वहाँ तक नहीं जा रहे, कोई बात नहीं, और कर लेते हैं. But that is not difficult. Wherever you are, whatever you are being told, just do it. I think I did my training here at 18 or 19. 19, I guess. Yeah, 19. So these many years, I just kept reading this book that you all have. This one, the latest edition, 2021, I ordered from Amazon and kept reading. Though I couldn't come here because I was in cast. So the day I got out from Bhopal SSB, I went back. I ordered this book that you all are using over here. Kept it reading whenever I got time. I used to read. So yeah, newspaper is important. Whatever knowledge is given there, it's more than enough. Beyond that, you need not go. And just listen to sir. I know it's going to help you. Because he is not going to train your mind in a way that he is not going to put an officer personality into your mind. What he will do is make your personality that officer personality. Getting my point? So there are people who came from coaching. Yeah, there is nothing bad in going to coaching. You can pretty much, tell that, yeah, I've been trained by so-and-so person. That's not a problem. But how you justify it? What you learn? Where you lack? Because the moment you enter in, he will ask you, kya sahi nahi hua last assessment. And then you tell, if after my coaching I got this and he's really able to see, there's no problem with the coaching and all that. But yeah, do not push yourself into an officer. Become one. Just get those qualities in you. Keep analyzing. Keep analyzing. Analyzation is going to help you. Any doubts if you have, you can ask sir. I though went I left, I never asked a doubt to sir. But yeah, I used to watch it.
She's rightly said, she said, become one. Become an officer yourself. Dress like one. Walk like one. Talk like one. And like she said, each minute of your time should be important to you. And yeah, you can come in. Each minute of your time should be important to you. And because where will you get more than 24 hours? You can't get more than 24 hours. And if you utilize your time doing what is your aim, then you will get there. Now, I'll just give you an example. I have a very busy schedule. And two of you, Abhimanyu and there's another girl who's preparing for CAPF. No? Yeah, she's not here today? Okay. So, Abhimanyu came to me and said, paper 2 he can do. Okay, he can do paper 2, but what if I can help him achieve, say, 10 more marks? They will help him come in the merit. So, for last 2 days, he has been forwarding me his essay, and I have been criticizing them and him as well.
That's great. That's to be, I think that's
Yeah. So I have already corrected your second essay, and you'll find it in a much better shape now. That it was more a learning experience for me, and I'm sure by the time he appears for his CAPF examination, he would have covered at least 70 to 80 essays, and that would be a big bank of essay to go with when you are appearing in a written examination, because then ideas will come naturally to you. And this is what probably must have happened with her. She has taken my book, read it through. There are so many topics there, all updated. Then it does not matter what topic the SSB gives you for the group discussion or for the lecture. You are going to get ideas to speak on that topic. But you need to cover that book. And I hope that was the case.
I do not usually get so much time to read. I just fix 15 minutes for this book. So in my time it's an R is difference book, 15 minutes. So in that 15 minutes I'll complete one topic every day. Morning I'll get up, I go for my walk, come back, just read that. I won't talk to anybody that day because I don't want my mind to be disturbed, because entire day it will be disturbed with me. Right? Talking to customers, sale, like please ye cheez le lo, right? So that's how. Just blocking some amount of time is more than enough. You'll automatically get ideas over there.
So this is my request to all of you also. This book is available on Amazon and at 450, and here also it's available with Punita madam. Please take this book, start reading it, because when you go for an SSB, there won't be enough time. Look, Abhimanyu has started so early for his essays. That way, like she said, 15 minutes. Okay, some of you might take half an hour to study one topic a day, right? But you would have pocketed that one topic a day. And that is what is important. One topic a day has been pocketed. So by the time you reach the SSP, you have 200, 250, 300 topics in your pocket. Now they can give you any topic. It does not matter. That is how we should go. Okay? In case you want to ask her some question, because it has been a long journey, she's a fighter to the core, looking after her family as well as continuing her pursuit towards the defense. So, yeah.
Anybody want to ask me? I am just one of you. Don't stare at me like that. I also sat there someday.
Beautiful story, super inspiring. So, like your planning was defense, that's what you zeroed down on. And then the planning didn't unfold once, and didn't unfold twice, didn't unfold thrice. And so, what sort of motivation do you have to pursue something like a bike? Is it still go and keep hitting market at the same time, or keep going this constant failures and realizing that there's enormous pressure on you from your family? I mean, how do you see the ray of hope in such a dark tunnel?
First of all, I would like to say that I belong to a family like that. Whatever your situation you throw at us, we won't be like, nahi aata, nahi kare, kya kare. We never have this thing. It's like, this is to be done, this is my target to be achieved. As simple as that. So when defense is my target, and it became my target in 2017, having worked for so many MNCs and everywhere, I never felt that satisfaction. This is not where I want to be. My team manager supports me so much. Oh my god, good sales you do. I mean, yeah, but I'm not a salesperson. right? I wanted to be here. So it's like it comes from within. If you want it badly, you want it badly. Everybody has their own goals, right? I wanted to see myself in uniform, and the background I come from. There even people don't imagine about acha, there is something like this. Like we people can be officers, civilians, right? So it always came from inside. There are times when my father passed away, I didn't want to continue with this dream. But if you know Sushmita Banerjee, she's also my friend. She's been trained by Sir. She only told me about Sir over here. So she said, you are not going to decide. Let the board will decide. You are to be recommended or not, right? It's your thing to go. Now this time I was working in Byju's. My mother and brother told me, कुछ तो आता नहीं है, तुम 5 दिन का पिकनिक करके आ जाती हो, right? But no, that experience helps you. Everywhere you know what is to be done. Like I know somebody who has been a GTO for some time, who just told me, IO make this doesn't matter which number you do. Sir also says that. It's the planning you do. So this time when he made me stand, I did not choose my obstacles. Whichever is coming, I just went in this way, and came back, right? So a lot of things put together, these experiences actually help. Everybody said don't go. Now my mother is like, no, you decide for yourself. I'm not going to comment on anything you want to do. This time you are coming back recommended, right? So these experiences help you.
Yeah, Sushmita Banerjee's story nearly similar. She got conference out 4 times, came to me, I trained her. In the first attempt, she passed her, got recommended, but did not come in the merit. And in the second attempt, she came in the merit. So it was a constant progress towards improvement. Now, all of you sitting here, you got to improve. You can't say today if a girl is getting recommended or a boy is getting recommended, the progress stops. It does not stop. You should continue to improve so that when you reach the next SSB or you reach the IMA, OTA or whichever training academy you are aspiring to be in, you are able to do better there. That is the goal. The goal is not कि आज मैं पास हो गया फिर टांग पे टांग और सीटी पे सीटी. That is not the goal, right? So some of you, are doing a course here for 2 months, 15 days. This is just a stepping stone. Don't leave it there. That is my request to you. Only yesterday a girl came to me. She was not too sure she will be able to afford her service selection board coaching, SSB coaching. So she said, sir, can I reduce my time and can I instead pay the remaining fees for my SSB coaching? I said, no need. First you give me a result. I will ensure that you pay the amount for SSB coaching which you can afford. I am not running a commercial institute. I am running a professional academy where I work 12 to 14 hours a day and I keep myself fit. I am running a professional academy. I want results from you guys. And one of the girls was saying, sir, मैं 2 ही महीने की coaching करूँगी अब. If this was so easy that 2 months of coaching can make you pass, then everybody would become an officer one day. 2 महीने की coaching करो officer बन गए. Man, you're going to compete with people like her who has been putting 3 years online. And how are you going to bring back that knowledge, that experience, that exposure which she has had? By putting in time here. You ask me, sir, I want to put 12 months here. Can you reduce my fees? Let me say no. Then you bring me to the class. Sir, एक doubt है. आपने कहा था fees तो reduce कर देंगे. Because when people like her come and they say कि they can't afford my fees, I don't tell them कि तुम्हें इतनी fees देनी है. I tell them you decide. And she decided her fees. I don't remember, but if I can make that choice for her, I'm sure I'm going to make a choice like that for you. Put in the effort. Stay here. Right? Stay here. What can you lose? Tell me. You can only gain. To the extent that, the geography that you know today or the history that you know today would be at the back of your fingertips. And you will be able to teach others. Come in the leadership role in the class. That is what I want you to be, a leader in the class. If you're not a leader in the class, you expect to be a leader in IMA? or SSB interview. How is that possible? That is not possible, man. That is not possible. So, put some time here. The minimum duration that you got to spend here is 2 months. I understand. Some of you coming from, like we had students coming from Tamil Nadu, Hyderabad, they can put in only 2 months here. I understand that. Go back, revise on your notes, build up on those notes, and become a better person, become with a more knowledge. So there was another girl who wanted to opt out. I can only, because I'm not a commercial institute, I can't run after them and start. Your choice. If you think that you can gain from this institute in 2 months and become a leader, so be it. But if I can do that for Abhimanyu, that I can give him personal attention, then I will give that personal attention to each one of you. I can promise you. Give me a result. Show me effort. Show me effort. I'll give. And there's a request once again. Please buy that book. Okay? Because if you don't start reading, you will not know what you don't know. Only when you turn the pages of that book, you will realize you don't know so much. Sitting here in the class, you would think only history, geography, polity, physics, chemistry, biology, economics, mathematics, and English will do. There's a lot more than that, right? Okay, I think now is the time for sweets. Where is the fan? Yeah. No, because इतने provision के बाद मीठा तो होना चाहिए.